So we're in Sanger, California, doing a flush on a Takagi tankless water heater. This is an exterior mount water heater. It's about 10 years old, and don't see the model number. Looks like it's up here. So it's the TK1S. So anyways, it's 15,000 BTU. Not sure what size. I don't set a lot of Takagi, that's why I don't know exactly which unit this is as far as their biggest, their smallest. But anyway, so it's about 10 years old, and it was hard piped in. So all of this piping right here, you can see we've taken it apart. So hot water, cold water. What it was before, cold water was tied in directly over here to the cold inlet, and what they did is they came out, they had a little bit of copper adapter over to here, and then the valve, and then it came over copper, and then put a dielectric union, and then tied back into the iron pipe, which unfortunately that's not good, because the union's on this side, the valve was over here, which means you have to shut the house off to start working on the unit. So what we did is we went ahead and shut the house down, got the valve over here to where it actually shuts the unit off itself like it's supposed to, and then we've got a nice little brass nipple in here, 3/4 stainless steel connector going over. This is a Falcon stainless steel connector, 0.725 inside diameter. It's a 3/4 by 15. And so when we get done, we're going to go ahead and tie this right back into the unit. Right now with the flush kit on there, what we've done is we've used some adapters that takes you from a nominal pipe thread over to a hose thread, so we can get our our washer hoses on here to flush it with the vinegar. So these will come off, and then this stainless steel connector will hook right on there. Same thing on the hot side. That guy was tied back in. There was no shut-off valve on that. So what we did is we took apart all the fittings. There was a couple of 90s and another nipple over there, dielectric union, and we just took the existing nipple in the wall, filed it down some, got a connector on here. So that connector, same thing, it'll come over here and tie into the copper. And as you can see, we've got a little adapter we soldered on here, so that'll get tied back in. Of course, we'll flush this unit with water before we tie it in. Reason being is when we get done, it'll be filled with about a half a gallon of vinegar. We want to get that out before we turn the water back on at the home, and then we'll go ahead and fire it up and see how it works outside of that. This installation is done.